Welcome to another recipe. If you like our recipes, please like, subscribe and press the bell icon button. Here's a list of ingredients you will need for today's recipe. These are also listed in the description box below. So let's get started. We will start off by taking our lamb chops. We'll add them all into a big mixing bowl. This is the biggest thing I had, so I can easily mix all the lamb in there. Now we'll add in our garlic, lemon juice, vinegar, chili flakes, meat tender and salt. So we'll add all of that in there. Drop that all in. And then this is our chops masala. If you check in the description box below, you can see the exact quantities of the ingredients that go in there. Then we'll go in with some yogurt. And then now we'll mix this in. We need to mix it very well. Make sure everything's coated properly. And then this needs to rest in the fridge overnight before we can barbecue it. We'll cover that up, leave that in the fridge. And then we need the barbecue to be nice and hot. Go straight on the hot grill. We just need to cook them, get a nice color on them and make sure they're cooked through. Because we've used meat tender, they'll be really nice and soft once they are cooked through. They won't be tough at all, very easy to break. So now we just need to cook them on both sides, get a nice color on them, and that's it, they'll be ready. So once that's done, we've got a nice color on them. As you can see, they look really nice. If you like them more brown, you can leave them on there for longer. And then what we'll do is we'll take them out and then plate them up on a nice plate. So we'll serve them up with some mint chutney and some pomegranate. And as you can see, it looks quite nice. Please let us know in the comment section how you got on with this. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.